Hello, my name is Tim Edwards and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson, I want to teach you how to play the guitar chord of E7, E7. Very easy chord to learn, so let's get started. So that's the sound of the E7 chord. E7, very easy chord to learn. It just requires two fingers. Finger number 1 is placed on string number 3 of the 1st fret, and then you want to skip a string, and finger number 2 is on the 5th string of the 2nd fret, and then just strum all strings. That is E7. And if you recall, to make the E major chord, you would just simply place finger number 3 on the string below on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. That is the E major chord. If you lift off your 3rd finger, you can hear a slight difference. To make the E minor chord, you just lift off your 1st finger. That makes the E minor. So this is E major. Lift off this finger, E7. Okay, to review again, place finger number 1 on the 3rd string of the 1st fret, finger number 2 on the 5th string of the 2nd fret, and then strum all strings. That is E7. E7. Okay, to learn other guitar chords, be sure and visit my playlist in the description below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure and hit the like button afterwards. Also, if you're not a current subscriber, be sure and subscribe to my channel. It's free, there's no obligation. It just simply bookmarks my channel under your subscriptions so I could easily be found. Also, you'll be notified when new videos have been uploaded. So have a great day. God bless you.